Your yard is the ultimate showcase of function and style. And when you're ready to design a landscape to meet your unique needs and realize your creative vision, there's a place gardeners have turned to for 175 years, Spring Hill Nurseries. Each variety we offer is expertly cultivated to delight, inspire, and beautify your home. But that's only the beginning. Unlike big box garden centers where potted plants are often neglected, we quick ship our plants, bulbs, and trees directly from our soil to yours, giving you a bigger, broader selection of vibrant, healthy plants, including one-of-a-kind varieties you'd have a hard time finding elsewhere. And it all happens at our 1,200-acre farm on the coast of Lake Michigan. There, in the sandy loam soil deemed the most fertile in the country, we've got our hands in the dirt every single day, letting our plants mature in the ground until they develop rich, healthy root systems that set them up for success on your home turf. Our gardeners walk the rows every day, caring for each plant like it was their own. We partner with expert horticulturists who consider more than simply hardiness or basic aesthetic. They work tirelessly to optimize Spring Hill varieties for traits like uniqueness, fragrance, taste, and size. Roses, clematis, hibiscus, hydrangeas, classic perennials, landscape hedges and shrubs, shade and flowering trees. Every order is hand-picked, hand-prepped, and hand-packaged, with only the best of the best making its way to you. From expertly lifting each plant from the ground, to inspecting every product before we package it, we're diligent about treating our plants with the utmost care, ensuring every plant goes from our soil to yours in record time, giving you more time to cultivate and enjoy. Because we know that when you buy from Spring Hill, it's not only about trying to fill gaps in a lawn, it's about creating a beautiful space you love in a way that only you and Spring Hill Nurseries can bring to life.